Hey, what's up everybody, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm pretty excited to share you guys another tutorial on how to listen to your favorite songs right from your Apple Watch. Well, the gadgets that I'm going to show you guys in today's video are the iPhone, the AirPods, and also the Apple Watch. So the nature of the Apple Watch is, every time that you listen to your favorite song right from your iPhone, Apple Watch always function as the remote control. Meaning that you can skip the song, you can change the song, or you can volume up and down, whatever you want, right from your Apple Watch. Especially when driving a car and you have your phone connected to the car, and then this is the way that you can adjust anything that you want. However, what if you don't want to play the music right from your iPhone, right? You don't want to play the music from your iPhone. So what you can do is, you only need to listen to the songs, your favorite song right from the Apple Watch with the AirPods. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly on how to do it. Because if you don't follow a proper ways, for sure you're not going to be able to listen to the song right from the Apple Watch, because again, the Apple Watch is only used for the remote control. But sometimes the phone is out of battery, and then or we don't want to do anything else on the phone, we just want to listen to the music right from the Apple Watch because we want to save some battery life for the iPhone. That is why in this tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Okay, so let's jump into it. Okay guys, so first of all, what you have to do is make sure that you have all the songs on the iPhone. So as you can see, there are a lot of songs available in my iPhone. However, if I go to the music app on the Apple Watch, as you can see, there are three main options here. On iPhone, Shuffle All, and Library. On iPhone, refer to the songs available on the iPhone, meaning that without the iPhone, you cannot listen to the music right from the Apple Watch. The library here is where the songs should be stored on the Apple Watch. So for example, if I go to iPhone, then I go to songs, you can see that there are a lot of songs available because these songs are the songs from iPhone. But if I go back and I go to the library and I go to songs, you see, no music. Meaning that without the iPhone, you cannot use your Apple Watch to listen to the songs. You have to make sure that you transfer the songs onto the Apple Watch. So how can we transfer it? Well, you have to follow my instruction carefully. To transfer the song, first of all, what you have to do is to go to the music app on the Watch app. So go to Watch app, this is Watch app, and then scroll down to see the music. Over here, music. And then to transfer the songs from the iPhone to the Apple Watch, you have to connect your Apple Watch to the power. So this is the charger, the Apple Watch charger. So now I charge my Apple Watch. Okay, so it's charged now. And what you can see is here, it starts it to update automatically. Yeah, updating. See that? Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, updating songs 3 out of 9. So now the songs are transferring to the Apple Watch. With this point as well, everybody, you have to make sure that your Apple Watch and your iPhone are close to each other. Otherwise, it's not possible to transfer the song from the iPhone to the Apple Watch. Now it's done. Let's check the Apple Watch. Let's go to the music app on the Apple Watch. Music app. Go back. So I have on iPhone the same. On iPhone, songs, yeah, all of the songs are from iPhone. But if I go back to the library, go to songs. Yeah, now you can see all of the songs from the library on the Apple Watch. Okay, so let me show you what's the difference in here. For example, let's go to on iPhone and now playing, and I play. If I check my, yeah, now it's playing. Yeah, it's playing. I pause the song, play it again. I can skip the song if I want to. And you can see two actions from the iPhone and also the Apple Watch are doing the same thing. Again, if I play the music, you can see both of them are being played. If I skip, yeah, see that? Let me play right from the library, directly from the library. Songs, play the song. Now I'm listening, guys. I'm telling you what, I'm listening the song right from the Apple Watch without using the iPhone. As you can see, the music player on the iPhone is there. It stopped. It's there. It's not being played. Because now I am playing all the songs right from my Apple Watch. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider doing so because there will be more and more useful videos in the future. So that's it from me. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.